I'm going to continue talking about the arch of the foot. So wherever there's a difference of tonality of the skin, that's where you're going to find, that's what I call the arch of the foot. So I can keep on pressing in and pressing in and pressing in all around where there's a difference in tone. And just keep that going around in a semicircle or a circle. But it's a very important part of the foot because it takes a lot of the pressure whenever we're walking, whenever we have those high heels on, or whenever we have the shoes that are not right for us. Notice I'm double pressing on my thumbs, so I'm not putting too much pressure on either one or the other. Now when I get to the top, I can also do a little roundabout on the ball of the foot, since I'm not pressing bone on bone. And then I can also do a glide, going up, and gliding, going up towards the ball, and getting the inside of the arch. It's very tender here. Many times, especially after a good long day's work. And coming in and pressing towards the ball.